Good morning, students. This is Kamisheti Venkataya, mathematics teacher, ZPHS Shivarampalli. Students, now we are going to discuss your regular text mathematics subject, and already you learned the simple equations in your 7th class. Today we are going to take the class that is 8th class mathematics. You are looking on the board, linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Children, easily you can proceed the problems. First of all, you can see the examples. In this pandemic situation, we should be take care and concentrate on your regular textbook as possible as. Children, you have some knowledge about the variables and constants, which is you learned in the algebra part. Variables and constants are combining, we are getting the equation, and also expression also you learned. Children, you have a good idea about this. When we are going to transpose, already you have, we are going to mainly 2.5 exercise we are going to take here. Previously some videos are uploaded in our rrbuddy.com, some other teachers. So you have introduction part in your exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Now we are going to take exercise 2.5 part. So that's why previous class or previous examples you can see in your regular textbook. Now I am going to explaining about the thing which we are going to taking, that is reducing equations into linear form. The given form in your 2.5 exercise is not in the linear form. We have to find out that in changing into the linear form, and we should convert into the linear form, and we are going to solve the equations. Children, you are very easy method already. When we are going to transpose, that means left hand side and right hand side, whatever the symbols, when we are going to transpose, or we are shifting from left to right and left to right to left, easily you should be remember that in your previous classes or in your textbook. You please check the symbols. మీకు అందరికి తెలుసు విద్యార్థులందరూ కూడా మీ రెగ్యులర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఏవైతే మనము ఈక్వల్ సింబల్కి ఉన్నటువంటి సింబల్స్ని లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ నుంచి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్కి తీసుకెళ్తున్న సందర్భంలో మీరు గమనించాల్సినటువంటి ఒకటే ఒక విషయం ఏమిటంటే, దాన్ని మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే మీకు తెలిసిపోతుంది. నేను కూడా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి బోర్డు మీద రాశాను చూడండి. వెన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ట్రాన్స్పోజ్, ప్లస్ బికమ్స్ మైనస్. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ నుంచి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ప్లస్ ఏమవుతుంది, మైనస్ గా మారుతుంది. మైనస్ బికమ్స్ ప్లస్. ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, బోత్ ఆర్ వైస్ వర్సా. దెన్ multiplication becomes division. So similarly division becomes multiplication. These things you should be remember and solve the simple problems. Okay, now easily you should be understand the concept what we are going to do, and the thing here we should remember, you should be perfect addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and also LCM part. How we are going to solve the fractions. Here some fractions are getting, we are going to see that. So actually in our 2.5 the given questions are not in the simple form. Means when we are going to see in your previous exercise, just it is a simple formation. From left hand to right side, right to left, we are getting the variable value. That is already you learned. Linear means only one variable, that is single variable. Linear equations in one variable. Linear means what? The expression having only first degree, no other degree will be appeared in this equations. Only simple thing is only one variable is appearing in these equations, and also you should be identify that the degree of the given equation is always 1. That you can remember. This you can write, children. Now you are looking one problem on the board, that is n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3. So it is not in the form of a linear form. That means it is not in the standard form. Linear form means what? Ax plus b is equal to 0. So A and B are coefficients, x is a variable first degree. But it is not in that form. We should be converted into the simple form and reducible, reducing the equation into the simple equation, linear form equation, and find out the value of n. Whatever the variable is given in the problem, that we can find out. So n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3 is given. This I want to solve. So only variable should be left hand side we can keep, and remaining thing we can transpose. That is n by 5 is equal to 2 by 3. This minus 5 by 7 becomes plus 5 by 7 when we are going to transpose, because I have only one variable, that is n value I want to find out. Okay, that implies next equal to, here we are going to take the LCM of these two fractions, otherwise it is not simplified. You should be simplify that. So n by 5 as it is equal to 3 and 7. LCM is how much? Both are prime numbers. We can take 3 into 7 as it is. LCM 3 7s are 21. Okay, now what we are getting there? 3 and 7 is there. 7 into 2 14 plus 3 into 5 15. That is equal to, okay, that is equal to n by 5 is equal to 14 plus 15 29. 29 by 21. This is n by 5 value. N by 5 is equals to, I have 29 by 21. Okay, children. Now I want to remove the top one. You should be write properly. Exercise 2.5 problems. This is first bit. You should be copy answer. Now I got it. Now here n by 5 is equal to, how much I have? 29 by 21 I got. I want to find out n cross multiplication. That is cross multiplication. N is equal to, I want to find out 5 into 29 by 21. That is n is equal to 5 into 29 we should multiply, or cancellation. Is there any possible? No cancellation. So 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 by 21. N is equal to 145 by 21 is the answer. This is a solution. So therefore the solution n is equal to 145 by 21, or if you want to change this into the mixed fraction, no problem. Okay, like this you should be find out easily. Okay children, now one more problem I will solve. See, in your textbook, that is 2.5, there are, in first bit you have totally 12 problems are there. I will give you every one, each and every one model. You should be covered that all the things, and remaining I will give you in worksheets also. Okay, now, so the thing is, you should be perfect in calculation and LCM part and simplification, otherwise you can't solve these answers. Okay, write on this. Now I take one more question from your textbook, that is question number 6 I want to take. Question number 6. Once you see in the textbook. What is the sixth question here? I will take x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Children, you should observe how many terms on left hand side which are same terms, means involving the variable terms also we can see. See here, this is x by 2 means x is variable, here it is involving, x by 5 is also there, and 3x by 10. These three are the same terms which we know that like terms. They are degree 1 and variable x. So the remaining part we can send the or transpose the right hand side. What is there here? Constant minus 4 by 5. This minus 4 by 5 I want to send the right hand side. So once you see the solution, x by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5 as it is on right hand side. I want to transpose this minus 4 by 5 that side. What we know that minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus. So we should write that plus 4 by 5. Now we are going to take the LCM and reduce it to the simple equation form. We should be convert into the simple equation form. So we have to take 2, 5, 10 LCM. What is 2, 5, 10 LCM? We should find out, you know that LCM part. Okay, I want to take 2 table. 2 ones are 5, we can't go, 2 fives are. Next we can take 5. What it happens? 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. What left here? 2 and 5. 2 fives are how much? 10. So LCM on the right side, left hand side is 10. So we can take 10. So now divide with this 2, it becomes 5. 5 into x, 5x. Plus, with 5 you are getting that quotient is 2. 5 2s are 10. So 2 into x, 2x. Plus 10 by 10 means 1. So already here, so 1 into 3x is 3x it's left. Which is equal to this side. Already these two are the like fractions. Like fractions already you are getting 1 by 5, 4 by 5. Both are equal. Like fractions we can add the numerators. If denominators are equal, they are called like fractions. So in like fractions directly what you should do, add numerators and get it the answer. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 by 5. Okay children. Now we can add the same like terms. 5x plus 2x, 7x, 7x plus 3, 10x. 10x by 10, which is equal to 5 by 5 means 1. So 10 and 10 gets cancelled. X is equal to 1. So like this, we should find out the solution of the given equations which are not in the form of linear form. We have to find out that linear form and reduce it to the linear form and find the solution of the given equations. If you are identifying like terms and transpose proper constants to another right hand side, and then we can take the LCM and you can find out easily all the values in your exercise 2.5. One more problem I will give you, you can see. So I am going to take that 11th problem in your textbook. Okay children, you can copy and you can see many times, no problem. We are uploading in our YouTube, that is Kamishetty Venkataya channel. You can subscribe and you can observe whatever the how many times you want to see, that you can see if you are available your mobile. And otherwise rrbuddy.com, that is our official website. You can see and write answers if you are not perfectly understand. Once it is already there in YouTube, you should type rrbuddy.com and select the class and select the medium. This is English medium 8th class. We are going to uploading the videos and easily you can watch in your mobile. Otherwise directly you can open the YouTube and type the Kamishetty Venkataya and you can watch this 8th class 2.5 exercise problems. Okay, now I am going to take your question number 11th one in your text 2.5. This is easy question if you are going to solve properly. That is question number 11. What is the given question? X plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. This is the question. Are you looking? Once you observe that x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. If you are going to observe this pattern, right hand side and left hand side both are also having the variables. That means we have to simplify first left hand side, and also if you have right hand side, after that we'll see what it happens. But our aim is, our concept is to eliminate or to find the value of x. Here what is the variable here? X, only 1 degree variable. That is why we are going to reduce it into the linear equation and solve the easy manner. The given question is in the standard form. We should make it into the standard form and find out the variable value. So I want to take left hand side LCM and right hand side is only one value terms are there. Then after that I will change this. What it happens now? 6 and 9 LCM. How much you have? 6 and 9. See the LCM 3 table. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Then nothing else here. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 is the LCM for you in right hand side. 18 is the LCM because 3 into 2, 2 into 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18. The common multiple for 6 and 9, that is called LCM, least common multiple. When we are going to simplifying the fractions, we have to take the LCM part. In 7th class also you have learned, and here also you should be find out. Already you experienced in your last exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 problems. Easily you can solve this also. You should be perfect to previous exercises and solve examples if you can easily understand the given questions. Okay, now 6 and 18. How many times it goes? 3 times. 6 3 is 18. 3 times. 3 into x plus 5 we can multiply. Minus minus. 9 and 18. 9 2 is 18. 2 into x plus 1. Numerator. This already you know the simplifications. And x plus 3 by 4 is as it is. Now we are going to reduce it. 3 into x 3x plus 3 5 is 15. Minus 2 into x 2x minus 2 into 1 minus 2 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Now we are going to simplify the right and left hand side variables in the numerator part. 3x plus, what is there here? 3x minus 2x is only 1x. 15 minus 2 is 13 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Now I want to make it this one cross multiplication. 18 into x plus 3, 4 into x minus 13. That is 4 into x minus 13 is equal to 18 into x plus 3. By cross multiplying you are getting this total linear equation form. What it happens now? 4x minus 4 into 13. 13 4s are how much? 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and plus 1. That is 52. Is it correct? That is equal to 18 into x, 18x plus 18 into 3. 3 18s are, 3 8s are 24, 2 and 3 1s are 54. Okay. Now we are going to take constants one side and variables. Here 4x, here 18x. So this is greater. 18x is more on the right hand side. This left hand side variable we can send that side. It becomes minus 52 as it is. This plus 54 minus 54 it becomes, which is equal to 18x. 18x minus 4x. Once you see here, which is very easy transpose, you should be observed. I want to transpose that after simplifying and completing distributive property. Here 18x terms are there, 18x. Here 4x, which one is less? 4x is less than 18x. So I want to transpose this 4x other side. That's why I took that side. 18x minus 4x. Because plus 4x is there. It becomes minus 4x. This minus 52 is on left hand side only. I am not going to transpose. This plus 54 I want to transpose from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes minus 54. Okay, now what you are getting? This you can copy and find this. I want to simplify this. Okay. Now the easy question is just changing. Minus 52 minus, both are same symbols. We can add. How much we are getting? This is 106. 52, 54, 106. Both are same sign. I want to keep minus sign on. Is equals to 18x minus 4x. How much? 14x I am getting. Because 18 minus 4. How much? 14. So x is equal to minus 106 by 14. Minus 106 by 14. If you want to simplify this, you can cancel with 2 table. 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 2 7s are. So x is equal to minus 53 by 7. This is your solution of the given equation. Whatever you given that in that exercise 2.5, that is 9th problem. The value of x, solve the question, solve the equation. We have to solve the equation in 2 variables, that is not, in 1 variable question. Reduce it to the linear equation and find out the variables in the simplest form. Only one thing you should remember, you should be perfect in LCM and distributing and multiplication, adding the variables constants separately, and cross multiplication also you should be perfect. After that you can transpose from right hand side, left hand side, whatever the necessary steps are taken in the problem, you should be verified. Okay children, this is our exercise 2.5 first bit model. So 3 types I discussed. You should be complete the remaining one also. I will send in your worksheets, and next remaining problems we'll discuss in the next class. Okay children, you should take care and find out properly and ask your doubts with your teachers through the WhatsApp question, WhatsApp, whatever you have available things, or phone call, or you can keep message. Okay children, okay, good luck, and we'll meet in the next class.